don't get banned like a rubber band, man.
You look like the bubble Santa. Or like bubble
Well,
Jesus.
I'm chilling. I'm about
help
to
me!
drown.
Help me! I'm still up.
Alright,
I'm
kill it. We'll do both.
Are you being suffocated by bubbles?
Yeah.
Are you gonna eat them? If you open your mouth, you're gonna eat the bubbles.
With your koozie.
I'm in the bathtub. Help! Help!
You look
We
like.
built a wall.
Help! Help!
Are you drowning in bubbles?
Yeah!
It's rubber band.
Help me!
What was that?
That's what she's talking about, the Irish leprechaun. He wants me gold.
He's going under further and further. You got like one little patch of bubble above your eyes.
He wants me gold.
I stay down.
Woo, we're overflowing.
Bye-bye.
You're overflowing the tub. Okay, guys.
We're losing altitude.
I found it.
I think you overflowed the bubbles.
No, not yet.
This was just a tiny cap of bubbles, y'all.
Help me!
wants me
Help me! Help! Help me, Johnny!
Look at you. You look like a sheep herder.
Little Bo Peep
A little
on
Bo
Toy
Peep.
Story.
No, you don't.
You look crazy.
Okay,
Hey, stay still. I want to see your head. Good Lord.